Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a reliable router, an active Google account, and the Google Home app installed. Connect one device at a time to your 4 GHz or 5 GHz network so pairing is stable. This is why strong local Wi-Fi matters. Once done, power on the first smart device and open the Home app to add it. Tap Add, choose Device, and follow on-screen pairing. Make sure to name the device clearly for voice control and group placement. After initial pairing, continue by organizing devices into rooms so Google Assistant understands context. This makes commands like turn off living room lights work reliably. Then build routines. Set triggers, sequence actions, delays, and preferred assistance responses. This consolidates multiple commands into a single voice phrase. Next, link third-party services through account linking in the app so cameras, locks, and HVAC respond. Make sure to test each routine. To finish, test a full flow. Say your routine name, verify each device responds, and refine names if Assistant confuses similar labels. For reliability and security, enable firmware updates, use a strong Wi-Fi password, and isolate guest devices on a separate network. If something fails, reboot the router and the smart device, then reopen Google Home to re-link accounts or reassign devices. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice control fails, check app permissions and microphone settings on your Assistant device before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.